Hello my lovely people, how na dey? I hope say una dey fine. In today's video I wan show na how I take make this curly hair. So I section small hair, I just roll am round like that. So I'll use rubber band now to tie the hair. I'll use am take round am like that to secure am. Then I'll dey roll the hair round. I'll just continue am. So I'll make sure say the hair dey together so that I no go get space. I'll continue the rolling now. I'll twist the hair round like that. So I'll pull the hair go back. I go continue. I'll roll and reach where the hair long reach. As I roll the hair finish like that, so I go take rubber band now to secure the hair. I'll use am take round the hair like that. Make it not loose if I put the hair for hot water. I go trim the hair where it come out. I'll just use scissors to trim am. So I go show another one now. Just twist around like that. I'll see you the same rubber band to tie am. So I'll continue the roller round now, the twist around. If I don't twist am small, then I'll come draw the hair go back so that I no get space. I don't see her like that. I'll continue. And so I'll still do this one and reach where the hair long reach. So I'll still use rubber band now to secure the hair. I'll use am to secure her like that. I'll trim the hair where it come out. Just trim her round. I not see as the hair be. So I put the hair for hot water. So I'll carry and come out now. I will leave am make it dry before I go lose and come out. So now they break. Now it be this. I'll lose the hair. Now I'll remove the rubber band when I tie the hair. And just pull the hair like that. I'll still roll around. I don't see the coils. That's why I take loose all of them. I just lose all the hair like that. First remove the rubber band. Then sorry, you lose the hair. So I go trim the tip of the head now. I'll just cut and come on. That's how I'll take do all. Just trim her like that. I don't see her. The core is fine, no. So I just tie the hair like this, in case if my customer they want buy. And I go take picture. I go post am for Facebook marketplace. Now there they sell my things. So this one go reach one person feast now. Still do your own, make you dey sell. Thank you. Go see you na next time. Bye.